Here we go. Sorting based on RFID code or QR code. Each parts have its own number, and I made a logic to sort them out neatly and logically. Fucking sweet. And it's all done by one smart sensor. At Denso we call it vision center or a camera capture center, like this one over here. This vision captures the QR code and determines what color it is and what type it is. And based on that, I can sort it how I want it. Oops. Whoop. But I lay these out so you'll know which side they're gonna fall in. So the flat one fall over here, the weird looking one fall over here, and the square one over here. Oops. That thing fly. Let's see if we make it this time. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give it to me one more time. Oh yeah. Alright. Goodbye, y'all.